Intimacy means safe to open up and show yourself. Is the sound of intimacy. It changes your state of mind, which is the definition of the word mood. Gets you in the mood for something delicious, like pleasure. You ready to try it with me? Inhale. Mm-hmm. 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 It's that simple. Could you feel it? It can transform an intimate encounter. It can transform a relationship and make you feel connected even when you're not together. I look forward to hearing how it works for you. Thanks for connecting. I'm Amy Culler. I'm here to help.